Let's opening another packet. Yes, the packet is included with a keypad phone. Yes, I am going to introduce this to my YouTube friends. See the box at first. This is the box. I am going to cut in the box here through this side. We all know the smartphones are inevitable today, but the keypad phones still a medium of communication. You may call it a feature phone also. I am cutting through this side. The packet is quite different from Amazon packet, and you will see the structure of the packet after this cutting. See this is, and I am opening this phone now. Yes, it has almost opened, and before this, see the bill. See the bill, only the bill price, and more of say here the price 2500 and GST and 300 and total 200 2800, that is written here. And now I am bringing the packet before you. You can see the fleshy plastic on it. I am cutting the wrap of fleshy plastic, and it is open now. I am keep cutting the fleshy plastic, and the packet is now the Metro 3 350, Samsung Metro 350, and it is a sealed packet, means it is the original one, and the barcodes are here to identify the packet quite clearly. It is a black blue set that is written here. See, the model is black blue, that is written here, and it is totally sealed with plastic. To get the thing out, I have to tear the plastic at first, and that I will do. Yes, I am going to do this. Before, see the features. See the features: 2 megapixel camera here, FM radio, torch, music player, Bluetooth, and dual SIM. You can see many features here, but not like the smartphones, but it is quite evident and quite sturdy for a keyboard phone, and quite smart for a keypad phone. See the getup of the keypad phone, it is quite fine one. Samsung Metro 350, and see the custom. And now I am going to tear up the packet. Yes, means tear up the plastic to get the packet out. I am tearing so and cutting the packet. Yes, I have cut the packet, and now I am tearing this like this, and I am opening the packet now. The packet is open, and yes, I am cutting the seal to get the mobile out like this. Yes, and from that side, that side like this. Yes, and now I am opening the packet. This is, and this is, you can see the precious phone. Yes, not in price but in quality. And I am opening it. You can see this, I am opening it. I am keeping aside it, and now let's see what is inside the packet. I think more peripherals are here. Yes, charger, this is the battery, and next one, this is the charger and USB cable. You can use it as a data cable also, and the headphones. 3 peripherals are here, and the user manuals also is in the box, and the total box include these 4 5 things. And now I am going to assemble this. How? And I am showing you how it is going on. Yes, I am opening the phone here. Here you can see a pin, and like this it is opened. You can see the two SIM slot here, first one and second one, means you can use two SIM here. And here is the battery. I will keep fresh the battery into the phone. See this, see these marks, see these metal marks, and here the metal veins, and like this, and here keep it pressed. It is pressed now, and keep it pressed, keep it pressed, and the phone will start. And before that, I am bringing another SIM from another phone, keypad phone, like this, like this. I am opening the SIM, and I am inserting the SIM here, like this. It is inserted, and as it is previous, I am inserting the battery and keeping it pressed, and see the phone is opening. Yes, phone is opening with typical Samsung logo and sound. It is opened here, and after the opening, first opening, it will show something before you like this, and you have to just keep next, next, and next, like this. And for that havoc light, we cannot see, you cannot see the others, and but you have to press next, 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 and next, and finally accept, like this. You can get the total get out of the phone, and next, and see the total get out of the phone. Here is the total get out of the phone. Yes, it is done, totally done. Here the message, fast message, at its case IMEI code is checking, and after this checking, it is showing, it will show in your phone just for one time. And next, I am going back, and here is the phone. You can see the battery is full, the tower functioning is quite well, and I am keeping the phone inserted like this. This is the phone here, you can see this, and now I am removing these one by one. Yes, like this. Yes, I am outing the phone same, and this I am inserting to the previous one again, like previous. I am inserting the battery on the previous one like previous, and I am keeping aside it. The new phone is now as blank as the previous. So now the battery is also opened. I am sealing the battery into its packet as previous. Where I am inserting the battery into its packet. Yes, the packet is, yes, it is adjust packet, and I am inserting this like this, and it is a auto seal fact and auto adhesive fact like this, and the fact each fact now. So it is the core, the headphones here, and this is the main phone, and you may hear sound using the headphone, and the jack is here, and you can see the jack point is also here. A torch is here, you may use the torch also. And now I am keeping it fresh, and keeping it fresh, and the phone is totally almost sealed now. The phone is almost sealed now, so like this. And here the phone is almost sealed now. See its total get up, and here is the charger and micro USB port to get the phone be charged. And see the total peripherals here, and here are the all the professional science students. finish now.